guys, Steve here from Coils and Coins Detecting, and welcome to another video. We're out in the bush again and out on the old orchard site. So what I thought I'd do today is just grid this area a little bit in front of me here. I have found some silver coins here, only a couple of thrips, fairly early ones, and I'm not sure I've done it that thoroughly, so I want to grid it, make sure I don't miss anything. Now in front of me here, got the Equinox 800 with the 11 inch coil on. I'm going to start with the 11 inch. I might change out to the 6 depending on how we go. But there aren't that many targets in this area from memory, so I don't really need the 6 inch. And I want to cover a bit of ground, so I'll probably use the 11. Now, a new toy. I've got this awesome new digger. So this is from ROE or RO Engineering. And you might have seen my other video with the hand digger, a Huntsman hand digger. Well, this is the Black Widow prospecting shovel. Really well made bit of gear, like all their stuff, RO Engineering. They make things very well. So it's powder coated, steel, and 3.5mm steel, and fully welded. So handle's welded, it's hollow for weight, to keep the weight down. And this only weighs 1.3 kilos, so it's quite a light digger. Down at the base here at the business end, we've got serrations on the edge for cutting through the roots. We've got some good step plates for stepping into the ground and pushing into the ground. And down here, where the handle meets the blade, it's inside the blade there and welded in this area, so you've got a really strong connection to the blade. I've used it a bit already. Really like it. It's an awesome bit of gear. And one of the main things I like about it is the length of it. So I'm about 5 foot, 11 or something, comes up to just under my hip. And it's a really good length for me. Some of the other diggers, a lot of the other diggers I've used, they're a lot shorter, and they're just harder to use, I think, to dig plugs in this kind of paddock ground. So quite keen on using it today. If you want to get one of these, you can get them from RO Engineering directly. All you got to do is send Mike an email. I put the address on the bottom of the screen, and just refer to the code CACD, which stands for Coils and Coins Detecting, and Mike will shoot you out an invoice, and you'll get a cheeky discount as well. So the discount will depend on what bit of gear you want to buy or how much you want to buy from them, but in the order of 5 to 10% depending. So check those guys out. Awesome bit of gear, keen to use it. And what I'll do now is grid out a little bit of an area, and I'll show you what I've done, and then we'll start detecting. Let's hope we find something cool. Okay, so what I've done, I've just marked out an area here, and the idea will be just to step that up the hill as I work up the hill. So what I've got is some orange cord, which I just got from Bunnings, and some of these spikes, which are just for holding down weed mat. Got all this from the hardware from Bunnings. So I've just staked it out. It's about a swing width, I guess, and the idea will be to work my way down there to the end, and then come back. And then what I'll do is I'll move this one across to there and run it down there, and then I go down and back, and then I'll step it across to the next spot, up and back. And I'll do that for this distance, and then I'll step it over that way, so I'll go over this way further, and then I'll do that up the hill as well. So the idea is, by the time I get from here up to that tree that's up there, I should have covered this area pretty thoroughly and not missed anything, because you can see there's some plough marks through the ground here, some undulations in the ground where the plough has been. And from my memory of it, the threepences I found was kind of in the middle of all this, over here somewhere behind that reedy bit. So yeah, I'm hoping that if I work this area more thoroughly, I might find some more coins. So let's get to it. So I finished the gridding. Over a course of a couple of hours, I gridded an area probably 10 metres by about, I don't know, maybe 70 or 80 metres. And really I found nothing at all, but that's okay. What I'll do next time I come in here is I'll grid across one lot of 10 metres, and then we'll go up the hill on the other side, and eventually we'll do it all. Just about to finish up though, and I'm back at the old house site, and I just thought I'd just had some lunch, and I just thought I'd have a quick poke around. And I got this one, and that is the only decent target I've had for the entire day. It's been a very, very tough day, and you get those sometimes, but you can't let it put you off. You just got to put it down to experience, and that makes it even better when you do find cool stuff. So I did see this one, and finally we've got a coin. It's taken us the whole day to find a coin, and it's nothing spectacular. It's only a half penny. Looks like a rue half penny. Bit hard to see what year this stage, but yeah, I mean it's just very hard work in these bush settings. Sometimes you get lucky and find a few things all in a row, other times you find nothing for the whole day. So there you go, 1946 half penny. Alright, we'll have a little bit of a scratch around for a few more minutes. If I find anything else good, I'll let you know, but if not, thanks for watching the video. Hopefully that gridding idea has given you some ideas, ways you might be able to grid your areas to find more stuff. Just a more thorough way of searching, and hopefully it does work out to be a good thing. So please like and subscribe, and yeah, I'll catch you on the next video. Bye for now, guys.